know, you walk so nicely.
Thank you.
Who taught you how to walk very beautifully?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you, Sharmi?
I'm 6 years old.
Wow, and what do you want to be when you grow up?
A doctor.
Why do you want to be a doctor?
So I can help sick people.
Wow, that's nice, huh? If I will be sick and if you're already a doctor, I'll go to your house, okay?
Yes.
Very good. And what do you want to do today?
Dancing.
Dance number. Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, let's give Sharmi a big round of applause.